how to fix the live option not showing on Instagram. So if you're trying to go live on Instagram but you don't see the option in your settings, I'm going to show you how to go and fix this. Now, the very first thing you need to do is just go and click on the settings bar in the top right hand side of your profile. And then you need to scroll all the way down this page and click on Account Type and Tools. You can then click on Switch to Professional Account, and then you'll need to go through the steps to set up a business Instagram account. So we're just going to select a category from the list. Now, it doesn't really matter what you select here, so I'm just going to click on Blogger, and where it says Display on Profile, I'm just going to uncheck this option and then press Switch to Professional Account. It will then ask whether you're a creator or a business. Now, if this is just your personal account, select Creator and then click on Next. It's then going to ask you to set up your professional account. Now, we can always do this later, so I'm just going to click on the cross icon in the top right hand side. Now, once you've done this, the next thing you need to do is ensure that you have 1,000 followers on Instagram. So you won't be able to go live unless you have at least 1,000 followers. And once you've done both of these things, you can click on the plus icon in the top left hand side, and you'll see now we have the option for live. You can go and click it from here. So that's it, guys. Let me know in the comments if you found this video helpful.